education and career plans, health risk for both a mother and baby, financial struggles and dependence on others. But there is hope with support and resources. Teenage mothers can overcome these challenges.
So what can we do to prevent teenage pregnancy? First is educate yourself and others about reproductive health. Second is access birth control and family planning resources. Third is encourage open conversation and support networks. Fourth is empower teenage girls to make informed choices. Together, we can create a safer, more supportive environment for all young people. Remember, teenage pregnancy is a complex issue that requires understanding, empathy, and actions.